Hi friends, thank you so much for clicking this video. You can start search for job along with your dual employment. You can start attend the interview and ignore your dual employment, because sitting with your dual employment absolutely that will not make sense actually. Okay, we know PF overlapping profiles are rejected continuously, and hope you also facing the same problem. If you approach your organization with your dual employment, absolutely they will reject your profile. Your BGV will be failed 100%. Okay, but sitting with your dual employment will not help you to move next level in your career life. Okay, so to move next level, try to join in the new organization with my approach. Okay, if you have dual employment, you cannot delete the entry, but without deleting your PF service history you can search for job. Okay, if you use my approach. Okay, my email ID and UPI ID available in those video description. You can contact to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.